You design products and equipment that go into buildings, and you already use 3D digital models to do it. Now, your customers are also moving to a digital workflow, and they're asking you about BIM. So how do you respond? A building information model, or BIM, is a 3D database of information used to coordinate decisions made during the building's lifecycle. BIM objects are digital representations of products and equipment that can be placed into a BIM. BIM objects contain simple 3D representations of your product, along with the required metadata such as your product's classification, model number, or links to your service information. At any time in the building's life cycle, the BIM can be queried to produce a list of products used in the design, including yours. The Autodesk Inventor BIM Exchange tools help you to create BIM objects from your manufacturing models and help you to participate in BIM projects. Improve your ability to coordinate your designs by opening 3D models from Revit, Autodesk's BIM solution, directly inside Inventor. Create your designs in the context of the BIM to ensure they are dimensionally correct and coordinated with the BIM grid and datum system. For the purposes of design coordination, your fully detailed manufacturing model adds unrequired complexity. The Inventor Shrink Wrap and Simplify tools can help you to remove manufacturing detail from your design models, ready to share your designs with the construction project team. And since the prepared model is associative to the original, any future changes you make will automatically be incorporated into the simplified version of your design. Once prepared for sharing, you can output your models directly from Inventor as a Revit family, or as a neutral format IFC file for consumption in the BIM. Autodesk Inventor allows you to convert your 3D CAD models into BIM objects that make it easy for architects and contractors to specify the use of your products in their projects. Participate in BIM projects, coordinate designs using 3D data, and get spec'd in with the Autodesk Inventor BIM Exchange toolset.